Today, let's make a unique twist on a mug cake. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and I've teamed up with ChalkZero, and we're gonna show you how to make a white chocolate orange mug cake for one person. Let's get started. When ChalkZero first released their white chocolate orange peel keto bark, I knew I had to come up with a fabulous recipe to use it. I don't know if you guys have tried their white chocolate orange peel bark before, but it has little chunks of orange peel in it and it is fabulous. So today I thought we would make a keto mug cake using this to flavor it. To make our mug cake, we're gonna start with 1 egg, add in 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, 2 teaspoons of coconut flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sweetener, and a pinch of salt. And then I'm gonna use 1 bar of the ChalkZero white chocolate orange peel bark. Melt that in the microwave at 30-second intervals, stirring in between until it's melted, and pour that into your cake mixture. Mix this together until it's combined, and then I'm gonna pour this into a ramekin. You can put this in a mug too, since we are making mug cakes. Just make sure you spray the inside of your vessel with cooking spray, just so your cake doesn't stick to it. And then I'm gonna microwave mine. I'm gonna microwave it for around a minute and a half. Just keep an eye on it just so it doesn't overflow. And once it's completely set on top, you'll know it's done. I like to take mine out of the ramekin and then pour a little bit more of that white chocolate orange peel bark on top that I've melted down. You could even top it with some whipped cream or even a side of keto ice cream. Make sure you tag us, ChalkZero, with all of your photos of your orange white chocolate mug cake.